So what is the difference between verification and validation? I know these two terms are very, very confusing, and even experienced people falter while answering this question. Incidentally, both these terms are related to quality improvement initiatives in a product development. So let me give an example of the very famous, I would say, cookery show MasterChef. And in MasterChef, you would have seen, right? I mean, at the beginning of the contest or a beginning of every episode, there's a challenge which is given to participants. And usually participants get anywhere between 60 minutes and 90 minutes to complete this challenge. Now, during the course of this challenge, you will see at different point in times the judges moving on to the counter table of the participants and trying to basically gauge what the participant is trying to make. They try to understand what recipe is being made, what is the taste, is the cooking being done properly, is the temperature control on the oven set up properly as per the requirements or not. And based on that, they give intermittent feedback to the participants. The final product is not yet ready, but the process of making the final product is what they go through it. And this is nothing but verification activity. So verification is all about making sure that the product is being developed as per the right set of specifications. So then what is validation? So you would have seen again in MasterChef, when the 60-minute or the 90-minute time slot is over and the dish is plated and ready to be showcased to the judges will do a final taste of the dish. They will give a feedback about how the recipe has been curated by the participant. And based on this, they will evaluate the various participants and their dishes, and the final marks will be awarded. This is nothing but validation. So in a product development, what is validation then? The final product testing what we do, and where the product owner actually is going to certify whether the product is in line with his or her expectation, is nothing but your validation activity. So verification is whether the product is built as per the specification or not, and validation is all about whether the product which we have developed is the right product with all the features or not. I hope this short video helped us decipher the critical difference between verification and validation activities. This is Ashutosh Bhattodekar signing off for the moment. Do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.